Right. Now, I want to explain in this video the difference between, not like the difference, but I want to teach what market structure shift means, because sometimes you may be hearing this from some persons. Market structure shift. So, what exactly is market structure shift? Market structure shift is a type of market structure break, but in this time around, the market structure break happens with what? Speed or velocity. What do I mean? Let's say that, let me use example. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay. Now, a market structure break wants to occur now. This one now, like, breaks once. Like, sometimes it can happen in one or two candles. This low is being taken out. So once this thing happens here, very, very fast, that is a market structure shift. Okay, because it broke structure within a very short period of time. So that it's still a market structure, but the speed there at which it broke the structure, it what is some people call it momentum, like the speed. So that is what defines it as a market structure shift. And if you want to trade, these are the ones that is best for us to trade. And this is the one whereby we'll be building our strategy around. So I'll amplify this thing as we go further. Let me drop down to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes, because that is where I love spotting these market structure shifts very, very well. Thank you very much. So I can see this one now perfectly. So this is a market structure. This is a break of market structure. Okay, market structure break. But did you see how this high was being taken out? If you observe, you see that this is what lower low, lower high, lower low, sorry, lower low, lower high, lower low. So price consolidates now. Now it wants to take out this high. Did you see the speed at which price breaks this high? It broke it in how many candles? How many candles does it require to break this high? Just one. One. One candle. Took out the distance. This distance was created by how many candles? One, two, three, four, five, six. Created this distance. But look at the distance one candle used. So this one now is a typical example of a market structure shift, because it happened quick, fast, in 5 minutes. Remember, this is 5 minutes time frame. It means that every candle that is forming here is forming after five minutes. So you can see that in 5 minutes we had just a nice market structure shift. Okay, so that's the difference. That's the difference. So let me see if I could get another example. Okay, let me show you let me look for a market structure break that is not actually market structure shift, so that we can compare and contrast. Let me look for one. See, I didn't actually really prepare this thing, but I know that once I get here, I'll be able to find out what I'm looking for, because it's almost everywhere. Mm, on this particular day, um, thank you. So look at something like this. This is how a market structure break that is not a market structure shift occurs. Now look at this low. For this low that to be taken out, it didn't just do it quickly, immediately. It took like how many candles? One, two, three, four to break out before we can now say that okay, this is a market structure, a break of market structure. But we cannot call it shift, because it didn't happen very fast. It was just taking time before it actually broke it. So that is this type of market structure break is not actually a market structure shift, because it took time to take out market structure. All right, the previous higher low. So those ones that happen fast are market structure shifts. While the ones that take it out slowly are just market break of market structure. They are not actually shift. Like this one now is an example of a shift. This is a low. See the speed at which it broke down in one candle. So this is a market structure shift, right? So that is it. That's it. You could find many of these examples on your phone or in your chat. Just go to your chat and practice and look for them. Look at market structure break two. Went up, take out this low. In how many candle? One candle. Just one candle here. You can see that. Let's zoom in. Oh, sorry, no. Because I was trying to show you. If you look at here, there's a low here. This is a high, then a break. So here, Let me zoom in so I see it. So you can see that this low here was taken out by how many candle? This candle. So this created a what? A market structure shift. All right. This candle created a market structure shift because it happened quick in one candle. One candle. The same thing here. This one is a small market structure shift. This is a high that was being taken out with one, two candles. Okay. But yeah, this is a market structure shift. It happened. So that is how to identify them. Then why there are some that are sorry, why there are some that when they break, you don't see it happen in one candle. A majority of the ones I'm seeing here are in one candle because this is gold has a lot of volatility. It moves very fast. It moves very, very fast compared to other pairs. And that's one of the reasons why I even love trading gold. It's okay. Just want to see if I will see one more example of a market structure that is not actually. I'm seeing something like this. So this is a load that wants to be taken out, but the load didn't take out, so just going round. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've seen one inside of this place. This will just zoom inside. The market this is a low, okay? This is a high, this is a low. Alright. Now for this low to be taken out, do you see how long it took for this low here to be taken out? Look at this low here. For this low to be taken out, let me zoom in so you see it. For this low to be taken out, how many candles was required before it could break it out? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Before this low was actually taken out. So this is we cannot call this at this point it is not actually a break of market structure. Even when this one came down here, so this one is not inclusive. When this one came down here, you cannot call this a market structure shift. It is just a break of market structure. Except when this low now, this is another new low that was being formed. This is a lower low. Okay. I'm looking at it from a very smaller perspective now. Now this low now is being taken out by one candle. This is a market structure shift. Remember, what is it creating? When we are bearish, we are creating what? Lower low. Okay. This another this is another lower low. And this is another what? Lower low. Right? So when price created this one, this lower low, it didn't break it once. It took so many candles to achieve this lower low, which is about one, two, three, four, five candles. Now, when it created this low, it went up again and then dropped down. So, in how many candles did it take to break this low? Just one. Just one. So, this is a market structure shift, right? It is still a market structure, but it's a market structure shift because of what? Displacement, the fastness at which it moves. So I think that is that for the market structure and the market structure shift.